Amo na gyung nabisita ang majestic Mayon Volcano nga dugay na gyud namong gihandom. Gilibot usab namo ilang mga nagkadaiyang laaganan nga natural ug gasa sa ilang dapit. This trip is so unforgettable kay naabot gyud mi sa Mayon Summit while nag-alboruto pa kini. Truly a mixed emotion of excitement ug kahadlok. Tara, uban na sad ta sa among laag. Grabe gini kalingaw kay magmotor mi throughout this entire trip from Cebu to Albay. Light ferries nga barko ang among sakyan ug diri sa Port o Bugo mi mugikan. This is the Light Ferry 6. This is one of the newest vessels sa Light Ferry ug mao ni ang among sakyan paingon sa Matnog Port, Sorsogon. And currently, iuna nagsakay mga dagko nga truck and time check is around 11 PM na. Naghuwat na lang mi board. So this is our accommodation namin sa tumoy gibutang and ano siya duha ka level. Syempre tag sa mi pero mas ganahan siguro mi nga magtapad rami masud ra man sad mi. So this is what you can expect sa accommodation there. This is their tourist class. So ang plate dire guys sa example sa motor is 3,670. That is for one motorcycle 150cc below ba siguro. Basta in that category mo ni ang plate niya. For the passenger is 1,100 sa katong standard, 1,320 sa tourist. So we've just arrived in Sorsogon and dito kami sa bayan nila. Mangaon sa amin. And this is our food. Their dugo here is really good. Lami kita. We need to travel approximately 3 hours to reach the town of Albay. We are passing through Sorsogon ug na-appreciate gyud namo ang kalapad ug ang kanindot sa ilang dalan. Wa gyoy ka traffic. Naagian usab namo ilang Colosseum inspired nga sports complex nga puwerte gyung dakua. So currently we are here in Sorsogon City and nakahunong mi diri sa ilang stadium. Na sila dako kayo nga gihimo nga stadium which is inspired by Colosseum. Nindot jud kaayo siya tan-awon, grabe kadako. Grabe ka instagrammable ang spot and pero ting dakuha gyud ani nga project. I'm so excited nga mahumani. This can really accommodate big events. So guys, this is Daraga Church and this is one of the tourist attraction here in Legazpi Albay where you can see the majestic Mount Mayon. Nice kayong view dire guys kay you have this church and the magical Mount Mayon. Actually try natin magpalipad ng drone, however this is a restricted zone. So ayaw niya talagang mag-take off. Sobrang ganda sana. Gabi namin naabot sa Your Brother's Tribal Village ug diri mi magstay all throughout this trip. Usa gini sa pinakanindot ug budget friendly nga staycation sa Albay ug nani primitive inspired nga konsepto. Wa gyud ko mag-expect nga naa ra day ni kilid sa dalan ug accessible gyud kayo. Nindot gyud bisan asa nga anggulo ani ug naa pa gyud ni swimming pool. So guys, this is their triangle huts. This is good for 2. So this is what's inside the triangle hut. This is what you can expect. It's just a small room, air condition, one king bed, then soap. That's it. Hi guys, so nata sa front desk sa Your Brother's Tribal House and today we're going to have an adventure. We will try the ATV adventure diri sa Legazpi and luckily na-offer sila diri. So these are the choices. You will have an idea kung ilang rates o unsang destination nga inyong pwede ma-avail. So we will try maybe this one, Mayon to lava. So this is the black lava. Ito mga lava nga nabiling from the eruption. So ato lang doon. So nakanindot ani ilang ATV guys kay naay mo fetch na to nga car pa doong sa ilang mga units. So this is the Your Brothers ATV Adventure na lagayan ng kanilang mga units, at sobrang dami talaga dito. As you can see, this is a big space and there's a lot of units to choose. So let's see. Hi sir. So briefing po tayo. Okay. Sige po.
Practice, and then after practice ATV.
Okay, sige. Currently they are testing this 200cc ATV. So this time si Rosie ang mag-drive, so ako siyang ipa-practice og maayo. Woo! Ang control sa ni guys is just pretty easy na neutral, drive, reverse, brakes, gas, and lights. That's it. If you want more advanced, kani siya 1000, so pasabot ani 1000cc, dagko na kay siya. Na siya high, low, na siya high og low gear, but same ra, neutral, reverse og drive. And this is going to the Black Lava. This is the Black Lava Trail, no? So si Rosie gini drive all the way. Kumusta experience mo?
Ligaw!
Ligaw? So guys, currently we're here at the Black Lava, Mayon Black Lava. Dari na to makita ang mga remains ng lava from the eruption of Mount Mayon from certain years na ni-erupt siya. This will take approximately siguro 15 minutes to reach that area. So this is the trail that you can expect going up to the Black Lava. Uphill siya, mga bato-bato. Karon nata sa permanent danger zone sa Mount Mayon. So kaning nakita ninyo mga black lavas are the remains sa mga previous eruption niya. Grabe kadaghan from right hantod na sa left. Look at this. Tingana kadaghan. But karon ang Mayon kay natapunan sa clouds. It's around 11 AM na. So best time kuno diri nga mo anhijos is early morning kay clearing gyud ug makita ganyo ang Mount Mayon. Grabe ganito diri, tuol na kay ni tanan, and we're on top of the lava remains.
Bali, pagawa to na may-ari ng Mississippi Bay Resort.
Mississippi Bay Resort.
Bali, tinutur lang nila yung mga VIP guests nila. Katulad ni Manny Pacquiao, Zac Efron, Chris Aquino, yun yung mga VIP nila.
Anong year to napagawa?
2007, pagkatapos ng eruption ng 2006.
And here is quite scary kay madungog yun namo diri ang pag-alboruto sa bulkan. But for the locals here, it's just so normal. It is very fulfilling nakaabot yun diri ug makita nga dool din kayo ang Mount Mayon. The real lavas. Grabe. Whew. So this is the marker made by JCI. We're currently at 245 meters above sea level. This is the lava front. Here you have option to go down using zip line. This will cost you 300 pesos per person. Bubo rasad gini siya guys. But this is just an option kung di ka ganahan mo go balik sa trail nga dulhog kayo nya puro lava. Love, ilang zipline ba? Kusog yun, no? Oh, sorry. Sorry.
Lang yung break.
Actually guys, this is the fastest na na-try namin na zipline. I've tried zipline in Bohol. Pero, grabe intense yung free zipline dito. Bumubo ra siya, pero kusog yun. Adrenaline. So guys, currently we're here at the Nuestra Senora Statue. Isa pa ito sa bagong landmark ng Legazpi. Sobrang laki ng statue niya at Ginawa na ito na parang plaza, ang laki, ang lapad ng daan dito at marami ding mga tinda-tinda. So maraming tao nakatambay, ginagawa nila itong jogginganan at pasyalan. At kitang kita po dito ang magandang view ng Mayon. So you should visit this place when you're here in Legazpi. On our last day sa ilang syudad, we decided to try the most advanced trail sa ilang ATV. Wagin mi kay baw nga mo na din ang usa sa pinakadi na mo malimtan nga experience. Hi guys, this is our day 3 here in Albay. And today we're going to an epic adventure. This is really exciting. We're going to the summit. This is an early trip. We're starting at 5 a.m. and we're going to the summit of the Mount Mayon. This is really exciting and exhilarating experience, and we're so excited. Tara! So guys, this is what we're using. This is the 650cc, 200cc for RK, and for Sir Cyril, this is the yellow one, 650 also. So this is gonna be a big adventure. Look at that guys. Kita na dyan kayo mga lava flow na mo diri. So we're going up pa ani. Woohoo! Woo! Si RK naglisod yung king trail. Huwag mo siya nakabuelo. Woohoo! Allah! Hay! Allah! Kumuta!
Mamaya hindi ka pwede huminto.
Kaya nga, latos.
Kasi gano'n na. Pag huminto ka, gigiling ka.
Look at the view now! We're at the foot of the Mount Mayon, and the other side is the sea! So guys, we're currently at the Mayon ATV Summit with an elevation of 528 meters above sea level. And sobrang lapit na talaga nito. Dinig na dinig mo na dito yung the lava that is falling, no? And we're so lucky kasi this is actually a protected area and di pwede basta-basta makapasok talaga dito. So your brother's tribal house ATV hosted this trip, and this is one of a kind adventure. Yung feeling dito is mix. You have the excitement, however nandiyon din yung konting takot kasi dito talaga dinig na dinig yung mga lava. This is the most satisfying thing. Klarong-klaro na namin yung crater dito. Saka yung usok niya sa taas. Oh fuck! Di gyud makumpleto ang inyong Albay trip kung di nimo bisitahon ang Cagsawa Ruins. This is by far the most prominent landmark gyud sa Albay ug mostly ginabisita sa mga turista. Mao ni ang simbahan nga natabunan pag 1960 nga eruption sa Mayon Volcano. So guys, we're currently here at the Cagsawa Ruins. Nala ni entrance fee nga 20 pesos. And this is what you can expect here sa gawas. Daghan kayo palitan ng mga pasalubong. And here inside ay mga kananan. And there's a lot of people kay this is one of the famous attraction here in Legazpi Albay. So there is Kagsawa Ruins na restaurants, no? There lang sa Mimangaon since this is our lunch. This is what they call as the pinangat. This is one of their local food. And actually laing siya. Laing. Yeah, gihigot sila og banana leaves ba siguro ni. Usagid sa highlight ani dere is kanilang chili ice cream nga naay levels. They have different flavors but different levels of spiciness. Look at this. Abunda kini sila sili and that's what we tried. I tried the level 3 ubi flavor and it's really spicy. They also have halo-halo with sili. So, yan ako matry nila. I really like halo-halo pero full na mi. Visiting the province of Albay is truly a dream destination for us ug ang mahimamat ang perfectly cone shape ni Magayon is an experience nga di gyud namo malimtan. Unta, this video will inspire you to visit this magical and historical place. This is Clyde. Kita-kita na sa next vlog. Bye-bye!